Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the chassis control module on GMC Terrain, guys. GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us. We'll explain about that, where you can find them. We will explain. Okay, please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix if you have problems with the chassis control module. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let's tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The chassis control module, which fuses, relays we need to check them, guys, we'll show you on that GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, here we need to check 2 different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to pop the hood open, facing the engine on the right side. This is on the driver's side. You see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Once you release these clips, you can lift the cover up. Then you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, specifically now, let's talk about that. The fuses we need to check today are for engine management and the BCM fuses. Most likely one of those will be for the chassis control module as well. There is very limited information about that, but the fuses that we need to check now, guys, okay, we're talking about specifically, guys, starting here with fuse number 20, fuse number 21 right here, 37, 38, 41, 42, 46, 52, and here under that relay you have fuse number 53 that you will need to check as well. Also, you need to check relay 66. After that, you need to open the passenger door, come in the front passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the center console you have a cover, you see that cover here, pull it on the bottom, you will be able to remove it, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Here we need to check fuse number 4, 6, 7, 8, 16, 20, 30, 34 and fuse number 40. All these fuses, guys, will need to be checked if you have problems with it. If you still have problems and you check the fuses, we'll recommend to read codes, reset the system, reset codes from all your modules and see if that fixes the problem as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.